Hello student, good afternoon. Today we will discuss on regulation of carbohydrate metabolism. Regulation of carbohydrate metabolism. The metabolism of carbohydrates is controlled by hormone secreted by the endocrine glands, of which the pancreas, the anterior pituitary lobe, and adrenal cortex appear to be of major importance. Number 1, pancreas. Islets of Langerhans of pancreas secrete a hormone what is the known as insulin. Insulin was first of all obtained by Banting, Best and MacLeod in the year of 1921. Opinions differ about the mechanism of insulin control of carbohydrates metabolism. It is believed that it aids in conversion of sugar to glycogen and in the utilization of sugar with the formation of the intermediate products of its metabolism. Some say that it simply accelerates carbohydrates oxidation, while others regards its function as primary, concerned with the synthesis of carbohydrates from non-carbohydrate precursors or possibly with the conversion of carbohydrate to fat. Second, anterior pituitary lobe. This is the endocrine glands and to secrete the different types of hormones. First, pancreas, insulin secretion, anterior pituitary lobe. According to the Hussey, the growth hormone and to some extent the adrenocorticotropic and thyroid stimulating hormone control the carbohydrate metabolism, as they are diabetogenic. Growth hormones mobilizes free fatty acids from the adipose tissues and thus favors ketogenesis. It also causes secretion of blood glucose, elevating factors from the pancreas other than glucagon. Third, adrenal cortex. Where is the adrenal gland present? That is the above the kidney. Adrenal gland is present and to maintain the function of kidneys. The hormones produced by the cortical part of the adrenal gland also influence carbohydrate metabolism according to the Long and Lupins. Recent findings state that besides these glands, there are other glands which also regulate the carbohydrate metabolism. These are thyroid glands which secrete thyroxine, which not only increases the rate of absorption of carbohydrates from the intestine but also brings about increase in the rate of metabolism of carbohydrates. The functions of these glands are under the control of the nervous system, which in the final analysis regulates the entire carbohydrates metabolism. Next point, oxidation of unsaturated fatty acid. Oxidation of unsaturated fatty acid. The important unsaturated fatty acids are oleic acid, linoleic acid, and arachidic arachidonic acid, etc. These fatty acids are metabolized much more slowing than the saturated fatty acids. The oleic acid, before undergoing its oxidation, is probably activated by conversion to coenzymes a thioester and then is oxidized in the B position as usual. After the removal of the three acetyl groups during the oxidation, the compound is left as unsaturated acid coenzyme, not an A and B compound. Linolenic, arachidonic, and other vital oleosaturated acids are found in high concentration in some structural lipids, particularly in the phospholipids and cholesterol esters, etc. It has been noticed that animals which feed exclusively on fat-free diet fail to grow and develop skin and kidneys lesions and are infertile, as well as administration of some of these vital polyunsaturated fatty acid not only restores the growth but also cures the deficiency manifestation, so they are called essential fatty acids. This is the regulation of carbohydrates metabolism and oxidation of unsaturated fatty acids. Okay, thank you.